Hello everyone. So as said in the previous lab, I'll be discussing how to create a custom AMI, and further we'll create that custom AMI, and what we'll do is that we'll do cross region copy. Means I'll create my custom AMI in North Virginia and I'll copy it to Mumbai region. So in cases of any disaster, I'm able to recover my application from another region. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll head to EC2 service and I'll launch a Linux instance. Let's say Linux web server. That's Linux web server. Let's put one. So I'm going to use the Amazon Linux AMI. I have key pair existing security group with SSH and HTTP enabled. I'll take GP2 and I'll also input some user data so that I don't need to log into the instance. Input the user data as well. HTTP. So I'll copy my repository from GitHub. So this is my website. I'll copy this into the script and I'll be pasting it in the www.html folder. So I hope everything is right. DNF install HG system CTM. I'm starting HTTPD, enabling it, and we are cloning it, right? So we'll launch. Yeah, successfully initiated launch. Yeah, I have another web server that's recently been terminated. But we'll wait for it to start. Yeah, it's running. So just see if our website is working. Copy and paste the DNS name and I think it needs to be initialized. We'll wait for some time. Or yeah, it has been launched. The website is visible, right? So it's running. So what we'll do is that we'll create a custom AMI of this. So what I'll do is that I'll be instances here itself. We'll create a image custom AMI. So let me name this custom web server. I'll be rebooting, delete on termination enabled, and I'll create the image. So it will take some time, right? So it's in pending state, it may take some time, and if you see, we currently have no snapshots because this is in the pending state, that's why. But yeah, it will take some time. So what we are doing is that we are creating a custom AMI, but that AMI is just a template. everything is stored as a snapshot only. AMI is used only to launch an instance, but the actual storage of the AMI, we have only snapshots. So if we create an AMI, automatically a snapshot would be created of that OS or whatever the data is in that AMI. So that's one thing. Status still pending. I guess it's about 1.6 GB, so it may take some time to get available. Yeah, so what I'll be doing is that after this gets enabled, I'll copy this AMI to the Mumbai region. Let's see if I can do that now. So let's name it copy of custom, copy of custom web server. I'm going to copy it in which region? Mumbai region. And let's say, yeah, there's no tags, so I'll just give that another copy. Okay, it's saying not from. I think it's not initialized yet. We need to wait till it gets initialized. So that's one thing. Still the status is pending. We'll wait. Open Mumbai region. Tab will open Mumbai region. So this is my Mumbai region. There you see I have no AMIs, no snapshots. I've recently created a security group there also, but it's different. Security group and key pair I have created, Mumbai key. So this is different from what is there in North Virginia, and you can see that I have no instances also. System it. Right. Yeah, now it's available. You see now the snapshot would have also got created, 1.62 GB. Now what I'll do is that I'll copy this to Mumbai region. So let me name it copy. Let me include tags too. So this will also take some time. As you can see, it can take a few minutes for the AMI to be copied. But if I go to my AMI, I can see that image in a pending state. So it will take some time to copy. After this is enabled, I'll launch an instance with this custom AMI in Mumbai region, and I'll be able to access my web server. Consecutively, a snapshot will also get created or copied. See, it's taking some time to copy. Let's wait. And with that AMI, with that custom AMI, after it's copied, I'll launch an instance with this custom AMI, and hopefully I'll be able to access the web server. Can take a few minutes. After it gets copied, if we completely delete all the instance AMI snapshots in this North Virginia region, still the copied would be there in the Mumbai region. So in case any disasters happen to any of the region, we can easily retrieve the data from another region. Wait for it to get copied, still it's pending. Recently created this security group as well. Maybe it's a good time to show that security groups in Keybase are featured. So you see the group IDs, I think it ends with 4 6s, and if you see North Virginia security group, it is different. So that applies to the Keybase too. In Keybase you see the name itself, 286 names itself is different. So this pretty much says that Keybase and security groups and AMIs are regional. Means they exist in only one region and they need to be created again and again in different regions. It's taking some time to get copied. Yeah, so 1.62 GB data may take some time. Yeah, now it's available, status is available, and that AMI as snapshot would have also got created. So we'll launch an instance from this AMI. We'll launch an instance. Let me say that we copy web server and name it 1. Yeah, I'm going to choose that and have my Mumbai key. I have an existing security group GP2, and we don't need to input the user data. Sorry, I need to choose from my AMIs. I'm going to choose this AMI, right? And I'll be choosing this AMI, and with that I'll be creating it, right? So with this AMI I'll be creating it. So let's launch, and yeah, it's in pending state. We'll wait. Yeah, it's running. And hopefully I could access my web server from here. Yeah, I've accessed it. So I've accessed my web server. That's it. Thank you.